Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to unlock a USAA savings account in 2025. If you're a military member, veteran, or eligible family member, USAA offers fantastic banking options, and getting your savings account up and running is easier than you might think. By 2025, USAA has streamlined its processes with more digital tools, making it quicker and more secure. Let's break this down step by step so you can get started right away. First things first, check your eligibility. USAA is primarily for military personnel, veterans, and their spouses or dependents. Head to the USAA website or app and use their eligibility checker. It's straightforward and takes less than a minute. Once you're cleared, the next step is creating an account. Click on the Join USAA button. Fill out the basic info like your name, contact details, and military status. Don't worry, it's all encrypted for your security. Now, for the unlocking part. After submitting your application, you'll need to verify your identity. This might involve uploading a scanned copy of your military ID, driver's license, or social security number. In 2025, USAA has enhanced this with biometric options like facial recognition or fingerprint scans for faster approval. Once verified, you can fund your savings account. Link it to your existing bank account or use a debit card to make an initial deposit. Aim for at least the minimum required amount, which is usually around $25. Pro tip: keep an eye out for any 2025 promotions, like bonus interest rates for new accounts. After funding, your account should be active within 24 to 48 hours. Log in, explore features like automatic savings transfers or high-yield options, and start building that nest egg. Remember, always monitor your account for any unusual activity and reach out to USAA customer service if you hit any snags. They're super helpful. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.